Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's question is find volume of solid generated when the triangle bounded by lines y is equal to 0, y is equal to x and x is equal to 4 is revolved about x axis. We have to find volume of solid generated by revolving triangle about x axis. Now triangle is bounded by lines y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means x axis, this line. Y is equal to x means line passing through origin. Y is equal to x and x is equal to 4 means line parallel to y axis. This triangle is formed, and if we revolve this triangle, this area about x axis, then a solid cone will be formed and we have to find volume of that cone. Now volume of solid generated when area is revolved about x axis, formula is pi integral a to b y square dx. Integral a to b, this is limit of x. Since we are revolving about x axis, therefore this is limit of x. Y square, we are revolving this line, therefore x is varying, therefore y, that is equation of this line, y is equal to x. We have to use here y is equal to x. Now lower limit and upper limit. This point is origin 0 0, therefore here x is equal to 0 and it is going increasing, and this point is 4 0. Line is x is equal to 4, therefore this point is 4 and it lies on y axis, so x axis, therefore y coordinate is 0. This point is 4 0. Therefore limit of x varies from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 4. Therefore required volume is equal to pi integral 0 to 4 y is x y square, therefore x square dx is equal to pi. Now if we integrate this x square, now integral of x raised to n dx is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus constant of integration. Here n is 3, n is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, therefore x cube upon 3, limit varies from 0 to 4. Now let us put limit pi. If you put x is equal to 4, 4 cube upon 3 minus, we have to put x is equal to 0, therefore lower limit 0. That is pi, 4 cube is 64 divided by 3, that is 64 pi upon 3 volume, therefore cubic units. Therefore if this area is revolved about x axis, the volume of that cone is equal to 64 pi upon 3 cubic units. If you like this, then please like, share and subscribe and comment. Thank you.